golden deck from brand Vanita. It will shower with golden showers and along with crackling. Water Queen from Starwool brand. It will produce sparks up to 7 feet high. King Crackling. This is one of the highlighted products in our shop. This is Bada Peacock from Mother's brand. Actually, this is a very beautiful crackers.
Pebbles Kannada.
Hello friends, this is Kishore from Sivakasi. I am actually running a cracker shop in Sivakasi in the name Line Crackers. We are actually direct factory outlet in Sivakasi. We are selling retail and wholesale also. We also have 2 manufacturing units in Sivakasi. We produce 2 types of fireworks. One is 1 sound crackers and another is color matches. 1 sound crackers is the name of the brand name Ramjaya. Our factory name is Ambika Fireworks. And color match is in the name Line brand in 3 color matches. Let's come into the shop and I will show you each product one by one. I will introduce this first product. This is golden deck from brand Vanita. Actually, this is 1 crackers with 3 functions. It has 3 showers. If you can see the fuse here, if you open this, there will be a fuse inside. If you spark the fuse, it will have 3 continuous showers. First will come, it will shower with golden showers and along with crackling, and it will be 3 continuous showers. The rate of this product will come around nearly 650 rupees. The next product is a golden lion. This is same like deck. It has 3 functions, but the only difference is the deck will produce gold color showers. This will produce silver showers along with crown. The price of this is around 650, same as that. The next product is Water Queen from Starwool brand. Actually, this is a cold pyro, which means if you light here, it will produce sparks up to 7 feet high. Actually, you can insert your hands inside it. It's actually cold pyro, so you don't feel the burning sensation. It's actually very safe crackers for your child. The price is around 175 rupees. The next product on the list is Super Stick. Actually, this pack comes with 6 sticks. The beautiful part of this product is when you light it, it will produce showers. It won't harm you. The fire from the shower won't harm you. This is also a cold pyro. Price of this product will come around near 500 rupees. The next product is Poppet. Actually, it's a checker. It will come with a wire. You have to hold the string like this, and if you light it, it will spin. This is also a cold pyro. So when it spins, the shower, if it hits your body or dress, it won't do any harm. The price of the product is around 450 rupees. For exact price, please visit our website www.lioncrackers.com, where you can see the exact price and you can order there itself. The next product is 4x4 wheel. Actually, it has 5 pieces inside. The difference between normal checker and this actually checker, when it rotates, the sparks will come at like 45-degree angle. So it will look like a lotus flower. So it will look good. The price will come around nearly 160 rupees. For exact price, see our website www.lioncrackers.com, where you can check it out and you can order it. Next product is King Crackling. This is one of the highlighted products in our shop. This is actually a 4-inch tube. It is a night cracker. When you ignite it, it will produce crackling sound along with showers. The crackling will reach height up to 8 feet. Also, the crackling will be very good. It will make the occasion very special. Price of the product will come around 250 rupees. For exact price, please visit our website. The next product is Money in the Bank from Starwell. Actually, this product has 3 pieces. Each piece, this is a daytime cracker. When ignited, it will burst and produce color papers along with fake monies, currency notes. Okay. Next product is black money. This is same as this. It will have 5 pieces inside, but this is also will, when burst, it will produce a fake money. But the only difference is it will shoot currencies in the air. The next product is lollipop. Actually, it will have 5 pieces. It is like a color match product, but with a little difference. It will produce crackling. When you hold it in the hand, it will look good and it is also very safe crackers. This is Bada Peacock from Mother's brand. Actually, this is a very beautiful crackers. When you light in the sky, it will produce 5 showers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 showers. At night time, it will look like a peacock when it is dancing. This is a Dora Singer. It will have 5 pieces inside. When you spark the fuse, it will produce showers along with a whistling sound. For extra price details and order, please visit our website www.lioncrackers.com. This is tri-color fountain. Actually, there is a big difference from normal fountain in this. It will produce red and green color along fountain and also produces crackling effect. This is top spinners. Actually, this product looks like this. When you ignite it, it will start to rotate for around nearly 40 to 50 seconds. These varieties all are from our own manufacturing unit, all under our name Ramjias. Check it out. These are 1 sound crackers. Each packet will have 5 pieces. How many quantities you can buy? All at the same rate only. For exact price, visit our website. This is first a very small thing. This is 2.75 inch Kuruvi. This is the smallest one. From this, we have up to this range. This is 5 inch. We have our Hulk. This is the biggest thing we have in paper crackers, 1 sound crackers. This is our own manufacturing product from a line brand, from our own brand. This is a laptop model, 10-piece color matches. There will be 5 different functions: red, green, blue, gold and sparkling. In each color 2 packets will be available. Totally 5 colors and 10 packets. The next product is Twister color matches from line brand, our own brand. This is also 10-piece packet. 5 different colors will be there. In every color 2 packets will be there. So total 10 pieces. The difference between candy pop and this, actually this is smaller in size when compared to candy pop. Total of 5 colors: red, green, blue, sparkling and electric. In each color 2 packets will be there. So totally 10 pieces. For exact price, please visit our website www.lioncrackersdfo. If anyone from Karnataka interested in starting a cracker shop in during Diwali season, you can contact us for bulk purchases. We will supply you at we will supply our own manufacturing products at wholesale prices. For inquiries, please WhatsApp to our number 8989646430. The size of the sky shot fancy start from 1 inch. This is 1 inch. In 1 inch, we have 2 varieties. This is a fly machine, and this is sky gel. For exact price, please visit our website. This is 2 inch 3-piece fancy. This will have 3 pieces. Fancy sky shots. This is 2 inch 3 steps. Actually, when you spark the fuse, it will burst. It will go up and will produce 3 shots, 3 multicolor shots. This is 3.5 inch single piece fancy. When you burst it, it will produce a burst and will go up in the sky and will produce a single burst along with colors. This is also a 3 inch fancy, but it will produce 2 balls, 2 different light effects. This is a 3.5 inch fancy, but it will produce 3 balls. It will go up, it will produce 3 balls, shoots 3 balls and produces 3 different colors. This is a 4 inch Niagara show. Actually, this will produce a false effect in the sky. Waterfalls effect in the sky. When burst, it will go up in the sky and produces silver color waterfalls effect like this. This is 4.5 inch from Varshini brand. This will reach a height of around 200 feet in the sky. Next is Pink Out from brand Vanita. Actually, this is a 5 inch out. It will come in 2 pieces. It will go height and produces pink color showers in the sky. The next one is Lemon Nights from Vanita. It is a 6 inch fancy. It will go high and will produces. It will reach height of about 250 to 300 feet. For exact prices, please visit our website www.lioncrackersdfo and you can order through lioncrackersdfo website. In multicolor shots, we have starting from 15 shots all the way to 240 shots. For prices, visit our website. In ground checker alone, we have around 5 varieties. Checker Big, Deluxe, Special and Ashoka. In flower pots, we have more than 7 varieties. Rangila, flower pot Big, this is Special, Ashoka and Color Koti and Color Koti Deluxe. Have more than 7 varieties in flower pots. In big sirens, we have 2 pieces. In each packet will have 2 pieces. It will produce siren effects. This is Planet Wheeling Show. This is a 2-piece checker. Actually, if you light the fuse, it will rotate along with a cracking effect in the ground. So it will look very good. This is Whistling Wheel. It will have 5 pieces. When rotating, it will produce whistling effect. That's the specialty of this cracker. In sparkles, our range starts from 7 centimeter sparkles. This is 10 centimeter, this is 12 centimeter, and this is 15 centimeter. This is 30 centimeter. Actually, I will usually recommend 15 centimeter and 30 centimeters, starting from 15 centimeters and 30 centimeters, because 10 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 12 centimeter, it will be very less. Timing will be very less. You cannot enjoy the joy of bursting the crackers. This is all these are 30 centimeter. In 30 centimeters, we have 4 ranges. We have 4 varieties: green, red, and electric. A special variety called colors. In colors, it can be a mixture of all the colors. The next thing is 50 centimeter color sparkles. It will have good timing, and it can make your function very beautiful. The next one is 75 centimeter color sparkles. The length will be very high, so it won't be available in our website. If you really need this, you can please WhatsApp us, and we will send you the prices of this. This won't be available in our website because this is very hard to transport due to its length.
Are there any minimum order quantities required for shipping to my location?
So within Tamilnadu, we are doing shipping for around 2,500 rupees. 2,000 rupees minimum order value for shipping. For other than Tamilnadu, for other states, we are doing at around 3,500 rupees is the minimum order to ship.
So minimum order is 3,500
Minimum order is
in,
3,500
outside,
rupees for other states.
Other states.
Other states.
So I ordered in website actually, okay, but how can I pay the money? Via WhatsApp or GPay, anything is there?
You have to add all the products in your cart. After you finish checkout, and then in our website, it will ask for your phone number, your name, your location, your address, everything. After that, we will contact you through WhatsApp, and we will share you our bank details along with GPay and PhonePe details also. You can make payment through your convenient ways.
So what about the shipping matter? Shipping cost is to pay or prepaid?
Shipping cost is actually to pay only. But if you want, you can contact us in WhatsApp, and if you say that if you want to pay by us, you can send I'll tell you the amount. You can pay to us, and we will book in a paid option. You don't need to pay anything there.
Sir, what are the shipping options available for delivery crackers to my location?
Sir, if you are in Bangalore, we can give door delivery. But if you are in other places than Bangalore, we can book to your nearest location, nearest lorry transport location. You can go to your nearest transport office, and you can take the parcel there.
I transport the supply the cracker to anywhere in Karnataka?
Yeah, throughout Kannada, we can do our shipping.
Do you have any packaging option for gifting purpose, sir?
Yeah, gift box is there. Please visit our website. Gift box will be available very cheap rate in our website. You can visit there.
Sir, do you offer any special deals on our subscribers?
For our subscribers, we are giving a special discount. Before checkout, there will be option for coupon code. You can use a coupon code Pebbles Kannada, and you can get a 5% discount. The coupon code will be available only till October 12th. After that, we will be very busy, so we can handle our orders. That's why.
Sir, what is the expected delivery time for the crackers to reach my location?
If you are within Tamilnadu, our shipping time will take around nearly 2 to 3 days. If you are in if you are in Karnataka, it will take around 3 to 5 days to reach your nearest lorry transport office. I am telling you once again, our website address is www.lioncrackers.com, and you can also order through our WhatsApp. Phone number is 8989646430. Both website and the phone number is given in the description box. You can check it out.
Pebbles Kannada.